I don't think it's a great system because this really sucks. If you're working for $3.45 an hour and nobody comes to the restaurant that day, yuck, that's really rough. So I can understand the reason why they would do it, but I'm not too big of a fan. All right, jumping down to 15, 16, and 17. Sven makes $2.25 per hour as a waiter, and he worked 7 hours. So we're gonna first figure out the earning from his wages. So that would be his hourly rate times the hours. Put it in your calculator. He made only $15.75 that day just by working 7 hours. That is ridiculous, right? But he's also making money based on his meals, and it looks like the resort adds 15% to that cost. So we're going to take, how do you write 15% in a calculator? 0.15. Everybody take 390 times 0.15 in their calculator. So it looks like this person made, or Sven made $58.50 from tips that day, which is a total of $74.25. Is being a waiter or a waitress or a bartender a career? Is it a high-end profession? Is it a profession where you can make a lot of money? It depends on the restaurant, right? If you're working at just like the local bar that is in Stockton or something like that, yeah, it's probably not going to be a forever type of thing, or it's not going to be, maybe you want to have another job on the side. Or maybe you're really into that, that's fine. But there are some restaurants, like high-end in like Chicago and the cities and stuff like that, where if you work as a waiter at that restaurant, they are making easily, I mean, we all know that I'm not making a whole bunch of money as a teacher, right? But I'm doing okay, and like enough to take care of my family, enough. And there are waiters out there who are making 4 times the amount that I make. Okay, so it really depends on what kind of establishment you're in, how high-end it is. I mean, if people are spending, and this is not a joke, if people are spending $500 on a meal and they're paying you 20% of that, that's significant, and that's each customer. Okay? All right, so go ahead and finish this up for tomorrow. I do need you to come show me your homework for today, which is the net pay worksheet. I can just come around for that. There are also lots of people who do multiple jobs inside of a restaurant. And running a restaurant, that's a very difficult job. All right, I already have homework from a bunch of you from yesterday. Did you finish one from yesterday already? You guys. How do you do the bushes yesterday? Gorgeous. Also, if anybody wants to do a retake on the benchmark, today would be a great day to do that.
Mhm.